In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Clickfunnels. Whether you're building a landing page, a sales page, or any other type of funnel, adding a video can be a great way to engage your audience and convey your message. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so you can easily incorporate video into your Clickfunnels pages. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Clickfunnels account. Once logged in, navigate to the funnel where you want to add the video. If you're not already familiar with ClickFunnels, the funnel is where all the pages connected to your specific goal reside. It's the backbone of capturing leads, making sales, or whatever action you're aiming to accomplish. Once you're inside the funnel you want, look for the specific page where you'd like to insert your video. Keep in mind that placing your video strategically can significantly impact how your audience interacts with the content. With your page open, it's time to enter the page editor mode. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see an array of options for building your page layout. Here, you'll want to search for the Add Element option. This feature allows you to add different components to your page, including images, text, and, of course, videos. Click on Add Element and then look for the video option. By selecting this, you're telling ClickFunnels that you want to include a dynamic video player on your page. Now comes the exciting part, uploading your video. ClickFunnels provides a simple interface here called Upload Video, which makes the process fairly straightforward. You'll need to have your video file ready and accessible on your device. After clicking Upload Video, select the file you wish to upload. Make sure it's the right size and format, as large files might take a bit longer to upload. Once you click on your video file, ClickFunnels will handle the rest, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. A little patience here goes a long way because a well-received video can significantly boost your page's effectiveness. After the upload is complete, it's crucial to save the changes you've made. Click the Save button to ensure your hard work isn't lost. It's a common snag to close out of the editor too soon and realize changes weren't saved, so always double-check this step. Once saved, you can preview your page to ensure the video appears just as you've envisioned. ClickFunnels provides a preview feature that lets you see how your page will look to visitors. This is your chance to make sure the video plays correctly and fits seamlessly within the page design. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to enhance your ClickFunnels pages with video. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your engagement and elevate the impact of the message you want to share with your audience. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating dynamic pages with ClickFunnels.